In today's video, we are going to look at how to create a budget savings plan. Before you jump into creating a budget savings plan, it is super important for you to ask yourself these vital questions. What am I saving for? What is the target amount? How do I intend to save to achieve my target amount? Do I want to save weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc.? And how long will it take me to save up that amount? So let's say after you've created your budget, and this is your income, and this is your expenses. And after expenses, you have an extra 132.79 left. This is like a demo example. Your numbers is definitely going to be different. So the next thing you do is we are going to use our financial goal calculator. And here you are going to choose what your savings name is. If you're trying to save for school, you're trying to save to pay off your debt, whatever your goal is, you are going to put that name here, and then you choose the type of goal. So if on the drop-down menu, you can see you can save for education, family event, emergency fund, real estate, vacation, vehicle, order, right? So once you've chosen that number, or rather you've chosen the target or the type of goal you want to accomplish, then you are going to put in your target amount. It is super important to put these numbers down to get the accurate time frame on how long it's going to take you to save up this amount. And then if you already have something saved up, you are going to put that number here. If you do not have any number, then that means you're starting from zero. And then the interest rate based on the savings account you are going to be using. If you already have a savings account with your bank, then you can use that. If you do not know the type of savings account to use, you can use the account comparison tool. All you need to do is you choose your province. Are you looking for a checking or savings account? You choose a savings account, and then you choose your currency, and then you are going to search. When you hit on search, it's going to show you some of the banks and the interest rate on their savings account. So for example, this is Equitable Bank. They offer 1.2500% interest rate. So you can go through all these banks, Manulife Bank, BMO, Bank of Montreal, and see their interest rate percent for the savings account that you want to use for the type of savings goal you intend to achieve. Once you do that, then you go back to your financial calculator, you open an account with that bank, and then you put that interest rate here. So for this one, I have a savings account with TD Canada, so I use their interest rate here for their savings account. It's nothing, there is nothing much you can get out of it, but this is a demo example of what you can do. Then here you are going to type in your contribution frequency. Do you intend to pay into that savings account every 2 weeks, weekly, twice a month, or monthly? And then date of your next contribution. You put that date here, you can move around, you can put 18, 19, whatever works for you, and then plan for regular contribution. So for this number, I am just using the demo number on our budget planner, which is this number right here, 132.79. This is the demo budget planner we've been using for the budget, as in videos I've been making. So that is the number we're using as the extra cash we have. And then it's showing you plan for number of contributions. Because I saved this number, that's why it's showing you this and the end date. So once you put this and you tick this number, you are going to click on save. Then it tells you this is your target amount, 15,000. It tells you your current balance is 0. Your contribution frequency is every 2 weeks. Your contribution amount, it's 132.79, and your target end date. So that means by 2025 December, April, by 2025, yes, December 4th, you are going to save this 15,000 Canadian dollars or US dollars, depending on the the exact currency you want to use. And the good thing now is we can export this as a PDF. But before we do that, let's say we've completed all this breakdown and we understand, okay, so we are going to achieve our target of 15,000 by 2025, December 4th. Then we just go to our budget planner, go to our savings, then under emergency plan, or emergency fund rather, we are going to put 132.79, and this amount is going to be every 2 weeks, right? So that is how it's already showing you that if you take that amount every 2 weeks, then automatically you need extra money. So what you can do, you can mess around your expenses to balance your budget, or you can actually choose to make this emergency fund contribution monthly. Then it balances your budget, right? Once you do that, that means you also have to make the changes on your contribution frequency from every 2 weeks to monthly. This is a simple way on how to create a budget savings plan to help you achieve your goal. So once you do that, let's actually look at the PDF. If we export this as a PDF, let's see what it's going to look like. So once you export that as a PDF, it breaks it down, it brings out the whole information here. It's showing you your type of goal, your target date, your current balance, the interest rate based on the account, the savings account you're using, your contribution frequency, the date you're going to do your next contribution, your interest, the interest you're going to earn, the contribution amount, and then the total contribution and the target end date. And it breaks it further down, overall savings plan. So with a breakdown like this, all you can do is you can now print this out and put it where you can be able to see it. You know, something like around in your room, on your fridge. It's like a reminder for you to know that this is your target. But do not forget to put it on your budget plan and also to calculate to know the exact time you are going to be able to achieve your savings goal. I hope this video helps someone who is actually looking for a way to save up for any particular thing they have in mind. This is a good way to set the right target and know when you are able to achieve it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.